Welcome to our behind-the-scenes tour of a recycling facility where millions of used plastic bottles are converted into giant PVC pipes. Let's follow the entire process, from collecting plastic garbage to making long-lasting PVC pipes. Here's the first phase in the process: collecting and sorting plastic bottles. Trucks transport loads of trash plastic bottles to the recycling facility. These bottles come from a variety of sources, including households, businesses, and public recycling bins. The bottles are then sorted according to type, color, and quality. Automated sorting machines employ sensors to identify different types of plastics, while people physically remove impurities and non-recyclable debris. This procedure guarantees that only appropriate plastics are further processed. While using child labor may appear to be an effective way to reduce labor costs and increase workforce availability, it raises serious ethical concerns. Children working in such settings are frequently subjected to hazardous situations, physical strain, and psychological stress. This practice is widely regarded as exploitative and can hamper children's education and development. Next, the sorted bottles are fed through industrial shredders. Observe how these strong machines crush the bottles into microscopic plastic flakes. This shredding procedure makes the plastic easier to handle and treat in subsequent steps. The resulting plastic flakes are homogeneous in size, which aids in the subsequent cleaning procedure. These flakes are collected and taken to the washing station. After shredding, the plastic flakes must be properly cleaned to eliminate any leftover debris, labels, or residues. They are washed in big tanks using water and specialty detergents. To eliminate all contaminants, the washing process includes multiple stages such as agitation, rinsing, and flotation. The clean plastic flakes are then dried with industrial dryers to remove any moisture. This drying phase is critical to preventing water from entering the melting and extrusion stages. The plastic flakes are now clean and dry, ready for melting and extrusion. They are fed into an extrusion machine where they are heated to a high temperature and melted into a thick, viscous liquid. The molten plastic is then pressed into a die, forming a continuous pipe. Watch as the molten plastic emerges from the extrusion machine in the form of a long, continuous pipe. The pipe's diameter and thickness can be modified by changing the die. The extrusion process produces a consistent and uniform product. After extrusion, the heated pipes must be cooled fast to harden and maintain their shape. They move through water baths or air cooling systems, causing the temperature to drop quickly. This step is critical for determining the pipe's dimensions and properties. Once chilled, the pipes are cut to the required lengths by automated cutting machinery. These devices ensure exact and uniform cuts, preparing the pipes for subsequent processing. The cut pipes are then inspected for any flaws. Quality control is a critical component of the process. Inspectors examine the pipes for flaws such as cracks, bubbles, or abnormalities. They also conduct testing to ensure that the pipes match industry standards for strength, flexibility, and durability. The next step is to label the pipes with important information such as size, kind, and batch number. The pipes are then packaged and ready for shipping. This procedure ensures that the products are clearly recognizable and traceable. The pipes are carefully arranged to avoid breakage during shipping. Special packaging materials are utilized to safeguard the pipes and ensure they arrive in great shape. Finally, the bundled pipes are placed into trucks for distribution. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to We All Makers for more behind-the-scenes glimpses into the world of production and craftsmanship. See you next time.